Hello guys, welcome to another video on my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to send files on Microsoft Teams and how to share files with your friends on Microsoft Teams. So search for Teams, open Microsoft Teams, okay, and then choose the person which you want to send the file. Okay, I'm going to send file here, my friends. Okay, and on the bottom we have different options. You can send photos, and you can send files, you can send stickers, and you can send gifs. Okay, so if you want to send file, click on this icon and choose this one. Okay, and I have a file on my desktop, as you can see here, this file. Click open. As you can see, this is the file. On the top you can also write something. For example, this is just a test. Okay, and then click on send. As you can see, I sent this file, my friend, on Microsoft Teams very easily, very easy. So that's how you can send file on Microsoft Teams. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any question, drop them in the comment section. I will be very happy to help you out with that. See you in the next video.